about 350 knots. Once he's done that maximum rate turn, he will do what he calls a squat and a bunt manoeuvre. Now rolling into that left-hand turn. You'll be able to see the weapons bay open.
Weapons bay?
The centre can carry weapons internally and also externally on hard points. They're not fitted today. This is a very large aircraft. Flying through at about 300 knots. Will be coming in now on a high-speed pass, now 200 feet and 540 knots, or 993 kilometres an hour in the new money. Hold on to your hats, boys and girls. You're about to see near 1,000 kilometres an hour dropping down onto the Central Coast airstrip. Maximum rate right-hand turn in front of us and then do another squat at about 500 feet. It's a very highly capable aircraft. This is only the second time that this full demonstration has been performed and it's first here at Warnervale.
Fingers in your ears.
About 350 knots. Tail control surfaces there. Now the aircraft is going to come in doing what they call a high alpha pass or a high angle of attack pass. We're going to have about a 30 to a 35 degree angle of attack with the nose up. Then we'll go into full afterburner and climb out at about 45 degrees. You'll see the aircraft accelerating. But you see how slow this aircraft can actually fly at this high angle of attack. This can be used in combat manoeuvring. Have a look at the tail surface controls with the computer assisting. Aircraft will go into full afterburner again. slow right down. Now heading down to about 200 knots.
Leo.
Should do a little bit of a wing wave on the way through. A good chance at, well, the very slow speed of 200 knots, but all to give him a wave as he comes through our pilot extraordinaire Bunga here today. So get your hands up in the air and wave it through, folks. He sees you. So get your cameras ready for this.
Come in.
He is going to come in straight towards the crowd for a vertical departure. Now, if this aircraft was a mountain climber, with its rate of climb, it could climb Mount Everest in 38 seconds. Haha, good reference there. Look towards the sun, boys and girls. Here it comes. Get your cameras out and get ready for some noise and colour.
Behind the trees.
Flight Lieutenant Ross Bowman bids Warnervale farewell for the second day of his great performance.